You are in our factory and this is our showroom. This room looks different every second week because we try new colors, we try new ideas. Ian Lombard is our photographer today that's shooting with me for our Tjhoko Champs competition in cooperation with the Tuis and Home magazine. We'll create beautiful pieces of furniture and share creative ideas on how to upcycle old pieces of furniture. Sit back, relax and enjoy and be inspired. So I'm working with the colour Paul's Place. This is named after Spackies, our Tjhoko representative for the Free State, Natal and Gauteng. Spackies, your colour is absolutely beautiful and so vibrant. We've painted it over there, our first coat, and now we're waiting for the paint to dry and then I'll show you what happens next. In the time of Corona, when hairdressers aren't open, just highlight your own hair with Tjhoko. Beautiful. Tjhoko paint takes between 20 to 40 minutes to dry depending on the weather. So a very cold day like today, we allow a 40-minute drying time. We're shooting, so there actually is not time to wait for the paint to dry. So we have fans on the paint and I'm using a hairdryer in between. Best is to leave your paint to dry naturally, especially when working with rollers. You don't want excess breezes and air on your surface so that the paint can dry naturally to give a very smooth finish to your surface. So have patience. If you don't have patience, you can tweak the steps like I'm doing today. So I am using our beautiful furniture decal range and you remove the backing. It sticks to a Tjhoko painted surface. Just allow for your paint to dry well. And I'm going to pattern repeat this to make sure that it is exactly so that you don't see any seams. So I'm just making sure that it sits perfectly. And the nice thing is I can pull it back and reposition it until I'm 100% satisfied. Okay, so I'm going to use a 100 grit piece of sandpaper and tear off a small piece so that I can shape my furniture decal according to the shape of the table. So very gently I'm going to sand and the sandpaper will actually tear off the vinyl. So I'm going to seal the vinyl top with our clear glaze. I have to dilute the glaze with 3% water and apply it with a damp cloth. So we're just showing how we're mixing the glaze and the water together. So I'm making sure that my cloth, my mutton cloth, absorbs the glaze, and then I remove excess moisture so that I have a damp cloth, not too wet, not too dry. And next, so it's nice and damp, you can wear gloves when working with a glaze or just wash your hands immediately after you've used it. It's non-toxic, but it leaves a latex coat on your skin. And now I'm going to seal my surface. And you can see the glaze sitting on top of the vinyl, but the moment it dries, it just disappears.
Oh, this is nice.
Huh?
Huh?
You believe?
It's Paul's Place.
It's Paul's Place and it's sanding and the vinyls.
My color is Alice Gold. Those metallics. Yes, that's my color. And she can design, you know. She can think of something. At the end of the day, you're not gonna believe. Huh?
For shooting decal, I prefer to use the 50mm 1.8, also known as the Nifty 50, for the reason that it has negligible distortion. It gives me nice straight horizontals and straight verticals.
And our modern abstract look is complete. It's colourful, it's filled with inspiration. Like, comment and subscribe to our Tjhoko Paint YouTube channel and turn on your notifications. Tjhoko Paint.